Exodus in many ways really does teach us about a long-suffering, merciful God. Those plagues are there not to punish but to correct. God is laying out for them, this is the disaster that's looming, stop and turn back. This in many ways is the central narrative of all of the Hebrew Bible. It recounts the Passover, the parting of the Red Sea, the movement from slavery into freedom. But it'll be manifest in the narrative through Moses' hand. Pharaoh, who considers himself a god, he's about to run into the creator of heaven and earth and of all things visible and invisible. And he's going to realize whatever power he can assert over this world, it's actually nothing compared to the sustainer of all creation. In this course, I want to help you slow down and appreciate the details. Exodus is a very intricate narrative. You get to see Moses and God speaking as fellow men, and also of Moses to the people. I find that absolutely beautiful because God is a God of creation. God is the God of all people. God would want to bring all to himself. This is our course on Exodus. Let's begin.